On the Prototyping Circular website, under the tab BioFabLab Machinery and Tools, you can find the Stoneflower 3D printer. The first links are to download the software, Cura and Pronterface to control the printer. The first step is to add a new printer to Cura. You can do this under the Settings tab, Printer, Add New Printer, and then add a non-networked custom FFF printer. The values you have to enter here can also be found on the Prototyping Circular website. The start G-code and end G-code also have to be changed. It's important to always place the objects at the front of the build plate. The three stripes on the top right can be used to find all the features in Cura. The layer height and wall thickness is dependent on the nozzle you're using. If infill is used, it's best to use zigzag infill. Temperatures can all be put to 0 degrees and flow approximately 300%. The speed is also dependent on the nozzle, but it can be changed while printing. Build blade adhesion put to none. And sometimes you can use spiralized outer contour if you want to print to vase or outer contour of a print. Once the model is sliced, you can upload the G-code to Pronterface. Once you connect the printer, you can click on port and it will automatically connect. Then click connect, and on the right side you can see the status. When you load the G-code file, and the printer is connected, on the top you can press print, and on the left side you can change the parameters while printing.